So hello ma'am,
Hi, Abhinav.
हमारे फेवरेट स्पेनिश टीचर.
Thank you.
So आपने अब मेरा पॉडकास्ट अगर पुराना देखा तो मैं पहले गेस्ट की इंट्रोडक्शन ही लेता हूँ. आई नो आई गेस आपको मैंने थोड़ा सा प्रिपेयर दिया था मटेरियल.
Correct, I saw it. Yeah.
प्लीज़ इफ़ यू कैन इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ.
Yeah, so I'm Shweta and I'm a language trainer. I train people for Hindi and Spanish and I teach people for these languages. I teach only non-native.
अच्छा, सो आप लैंग्वेज टीचिंग में कैसे, हाउ डिड यू गेट इनटू दैट एग्जैक्टली?
So, Abhinav, very interestingly, this was never the plan. When I was a kid, I used to be I come from a very small village. And उस village में कोई अच्छे schools नहीं थे. And we studied in a Hindi medium school, which is not a bad thing, of course. But then, in considering the world and these days the importance of English in our country, I was sent to Lucknow to live with my grandparents, maternal grandparents. And वहाँ जाके it was a big struggle because एक village से आया हुआ कोई इंसान जिसको English ना आती हो, it was a big struggle. And for many years I had zero friends. I could not understand anything there, what was being taught in the school, and I was failing miserably. So in that process, I got very close to reading. And there was a time when in 2-3 years, I practically read the whole library of the school. And in that process, I learned that I had a passion for languages. And I started excelling in only one subject, English, which gave me confidence. Eventually, I became very good with mathematics also. And then I got married at the age of 19. I gave up studying again. And then 16 years later, I thought now I need to start studying. And this time I chose Spanish. Again, the same journey started. I was a beginner again out there with youngsters जो बिल्कुल मेरे उससे मैच नहीं हो रहे थे, and I was very scared in the classes. But then eventually it turned out that I was doing pretty well, and slowly I realized that I was kind of passionate towards languages.
ब्यूटीफुल मैम, मेरे को नहीं पता था आप मतलब इतनी जल्दी आपकी जर्नी शुरू हुई एंड 16 years later you had to continue that.
Correct.
But I could relate to 100% to your level. मैं भी एक छोटे गांव से हूँ जहाँ पे पंजाबी is like the main language. And जब मेरे को बुक्स में इंटरेस्ट पढ़ना शुरू हुआ था, इनफैक्ट हमारे स्कूल्स में इट वाज कंसिडर्ड के इन अ नेगेटिव सेट के you are reading books other than your school books. के you should not be focusing on that. And of course आपको मैथ्स में भी इंटरेस्ट आता होगा. It's the language of universe.
Correct.
So really ma'am, really interesting. Now I have a lot of questions other than this prepared list.
Yeah.
आपका okay, Lucknow, beautiful place.
Yeah,
Food
Lucknow.
as well.
That's true. Lucknow is very nice.
एंड आपको देख के अब आपने बोला कि मैं हिंदी मीडियम से हूँ, अब तो मेरे को लगता है मैं स्पेनिश कर लूँगा आराम से.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. I think dedication and over the years अगर आप perseverance है तो anyone can do anything.
नहीं, definitely, and continuing that after 16 years, wow, that is now my mind is inspired. मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत पता था, but again आपने बिल्कुल एक ऐसा इंट्रोडक्शन दे दी, अब हिल ही गया हमारा पूरा शो.
Yeah, it was a bit of challenge because being a housewife for 16 years and I didn't have that much connection with outside world. I mean, you are so busy with your children, your family, your kitchen, cooking and all that. I was doing many things. I was reading, I was painting, I was volunteering in different things. But to be a student with younger people who are university students who are so sharp and aware these days, initially for a month I think I was very lost.
हाँ, you feel like कि सब बहुत कॉम्पिटेंट है and I'm not, है ना?
Exactly.
Right. But in my experience ना, what I found out is कि people जिनको आप presume करते हो बहुत they are brilliant, they will say some very stupid things, and some people that you consider stupid, they'll say some brilliant stuff.
You never know. Correct.
Like people surprise me. That's what I found out, and that's what interests me into doing more podcasts as well.
That's true.
आपको वैसे what motivated you into Spanish exactly?
So actually Spanish just happened by chance because I was really wanting to do something because now my children were grown up and I didn't have that much responsibilities anymore. So I had some free time on hand and I was trying my hand at different things. So we just landed up for a trip because I am very fond of traveling. So I went to Turkey and there was some disturbance there. So because of that, we had to take a flight to Spain. We had no bookings and we just landed in Spain without any bookings one evening and
Spain by chance.
Yes, Spain by chance actually. And then in those 4 days, because nobody understood English there, those 4 days I was Google translating, I was trying to communicate with people, and I came back with decent vocabulary. And then I realized that it can be interesting. So I joined a very reputed institute in Connaught Place, and initially everyone was very skeptical. People said, no, come on, you're 36, it's too late to learn a language. But then I thought, so much free time, let me just give it a try. And it just opened a new world. And again, next 4 years while I was learning, I never thought that I'm going to be a teacher. I was just learning because I was enjoying it. So I never thought that a 3-hour language class can be something for me.
Definitely. And आप जब आपकी मैरिज हुई, आप काफ़ी यंग थे, तो डिड यू ग्रेजुएट और
I did. I was a sharp student since beginning, so I graduated very early because in smaller towns you can kind of skip classes. In those times it was allowed, so I did my graduation.
Our cousins did that a lot of time.
Yeah. Now we don't do that anymore, but in those times, yes.
Okay, interesting. And उसके बाद आपने post graduate फिर?
No, I did not study further. I got married and then I had children. So then they were a handful. It's a big responsibility. So my children have interestingly also picked up studies very well. So my daughter is in Oxford and my son is in IIM. So they both have also become passionate about reading.
Great.
So yeah.
And आपका जो currently you are at language C1 level?
C2.
C2. Okay, so it's the highest proficiency level.
Yeah.
That is a big deal. And when did you start learning Spanish? Like अभी 2024?
Correct. I started in 2013. And 2-3 years later, because I was not taking a break, I suddenly found so much interest in the language that I just kind of immersed into it. Day and night I was just studying, I was watching videos, I was reading books, and 3 years later I had reached C1. And in that process I was offered a scholarship to go to Spain, which I never dared to mention to anyone in the family because I thought everyone was already thinking that she's gone crazy, why she's studying so much. So I'd never told anyone. And when I finished C2, then I mentioned it to my husband and he was like, "Arey, you should have told me." Then he booked my ticket. He took me to Spain, left me there for a month to do certain courses, the immersion courses and everything.
To be among the natives.
Yeah. And then I came back after a month. Meanwhile, then I got good job offers. Again, I took a month to decide because I never thought that it's going to happen. So, but yes, God has been very kind that in the journey, because when I took my first job, I was 40, the age when people retire, and I had no experience. But God was kind that I met such mentors on the journey that they gave me opportunities. And in every year, I was guided by someone who told me what to do next. For example, after a year of joining the institute where I'm working, people guided me to do a master's in how to teach Spanish to non-natives. That master's was supposed to be done from Spain, but COVID happened, so it turned into online master's, and I was doing it. And in that process, my mom-in-law got cancer, so I took all my exams from the hospital. I was doing it there, but again, by the grace of God, we could do it. And it happened.
And आपका C1 कब clear हुआ? C2 I mean.
So C1 got cleared in the process only. Maybe I think 2017 I did C1. After that I started working, and then I did my masters, and then I did my C2. So C2 I took 2 attempts because I used to get very nervous, and because all my colleagues were my examiners, they were taking the exam, so I used to get very nervous. By the 3rd attempt, I think I had become Besharam. So I was like, anyhow, I'm not going to clear it.
मैं तो A1.1 पे ही हो रहा था, मेरा दूसरा attempt इसमें ना लग जाए.
Exactly. So by the 3rd time, I had become Besharam and I passed with very good marks. So.
Wonderful, ma'am. And इससे पहले आपने career opportunity जो teaching से पहले जो आपका था, वो भी teaching में ही था, Spanish?
I never thought of any career. Actually, I belong to a family where in those times women were not working. So never thought of any career in life. I had a lot of desire to learn, and since my childhood, like everyone tells me, that I always wanted to do something. I was really craving to make a difference to the world, but I just didn't know how. So till now, I think I'm pretty clueless. I'm just taking it as it's coming. So I think also libraries used to really fascinate me, and since books were very good friends of mine, so now I'm going to realize that dream now. I'm opening a very nice library.
Arre.
Yeah, and I've already sourced 5,000 books, and they are under the process of being converted. Probably in another 10 days, I'm going to open my library for under 18 years of students.
Where? आपके इंस्टीट्यूट में?
Yeah, in my institute. So I've converted half the institute into the library and half the institute
Arre,
into language
beautiful man,
learning.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Like you were living the dream. I love books.
Exactly.
अभी भी मेरे पास Kindle है, मैं हर जगह कैरी करता हूँ.
Yeah.
कुछ नहीं पता 10 मिनट कहाँ
That's
खाली मिल जाए. एंड ऑडियो बुक्स भी मेरी हमेशा रहती हैं, फ़ोन पे सेव्ड रहती हैं. सो आई लव दैट. लाइब्रेरी आई हैव एट माई होम, बट आप देखा होगा पर इतनी नहीं है. इट्स लाइक 300-400 बुक
Yeah, but
library.
that's, yeah, for one person. It's
But
not-
I have been collecting since like age of since 5th 6th class, so I was
Wow.
maybe 12 13. But हाँ बीच में वो पॉज आ गया सीए वाला.
Correct.
बट हाँ, उफ, लाइब्रेरी तो आपकी विजिट ज़रूर करूँगा
Yeah,
मैं.
definitely.
आई थिंक जब तक ये एपिसोड आउट होगा आपका इंस्टीट्यूट विल बी रनिंग, राइट?
I hope so. We are aiming at another 10 to 15 days.
परफेक्ट. हाँ, विल
yeah.
लॉन्च दिस हाँ अराउंड 10-14 days later है ना. विल लॉन्च नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे.
Correct.
So बढ़िया, we will put in all the links as well.
Yeah, thank you.
And when did you exactly start like teaching this?
Yeah, so while I was
In
studying
Institute Cervantes?
Cervantes, correct. So while I was studying there, after a year, I kind of started helping people because there were a lot of people who were struggling with the language, and in that process, people started coming over home. Also, there were students who were asking for help. So one day it happened, like I had a lot of students here sitting. So my professor guided me that why don't you make it into a career? And I was very unsure that do I want to charge people for this or not. But then again, I realized that people were more serious if
So
they had to.
this was in Spain?
No, here only. In
Acha,
Delhi.
here. And
Yeah.
उस time your job was to talk to Spanish natives?
No. At that time, I was just studying.
अच्छा.
While
okay,
my
okay.
studies
ठीक है,
were
ठीक है,
happening
all right,
at that
nice.
time, so I started teaching children, and then I joined Cervantes much later. Yeah, once I finished my CA.
Are you also currently like working with Cervantes?
Yes, and I'll continue to do so forever, because that is one place I believe I've learned everything, and excellent people, excellent quality of education, and I don't think that I can ever stop learning from
Is
that.
Cervantes sponsored by अपना Spanish embassy?
Embassy of Spain, yes.
Okay,
Yes.
I see. हाँ,
It's
क्योंकि
under, it's
उनके
under the umbrella of
yes,
Embassy of Spain.
course material was also very good. I must say.
They are excellent, and
like,
the teachers.
Difficult to get through, but just enough के हम कर लेंगे. Hints enough.
Absolutely.
I would recommend anyone to you know
Yes.
go to Institute Cervantes and check out the language courses.
Correct.
And of course, I also aim to do that, but I told you because of some family issues, I could
I
not
understand.
continue that A2
That's true.
classes.
That's true.
And what were the challenges जो आपको लगता है अभी भी आप face करते हो teaching
Yeah.
में?
So see, I think till now I was lucky enough not to face many challenges. Initially, when I started learning, it was a little difficult because people were not able to accept, because in India normally in those times it was a little not common that at a certain age people study. So people used to find it very strange, and I used to find that people were not appreciating it. And
अच्छा, of not the fact कि आप Spanish teach करो, but of the fact that you are just
studying.
pursuing your career.
Correct.
Okay.
I mean, not that it was not looked down, but sometimes
There was a weird,
yeah,
है ना,
sensation.
connotation,
People
okay.
had questions that why are you even doing that? So at that time, it was a little difficult to go through that. But and then initially, when I started teaching again, when you start your career, there are very few people who are there to study. So that also was a little shaky. But eventually, it was fine. And now again, I'm taking a big step. This is again a little scary. So yeah.
नहीं, I too also believe in कि there is no age for what you want to do.
Yeah,
Like मैं अपने grandfather को pursue कर रहा हूँ. He's 82, 83. कि आप अपना music में continue करो.
Exactly, that's
He's retired from the Punjab University and all. But उनका music में हमेशा से interest था. I'm pursuing him. I'm making a studio just for him कि वो
Wow.
record करें उसमें.
That's so nice.
नहीं, I think कि और उनको भी लोग बोलते रहते हैं कि आपको क्या ज़रूरत है. You have everything.
Yeah.
Your kids are settled, married. You know, they're earning. You are have good wealth. There's no need for further pursuance. But it's about self-fulfillment, I think.
Correct.
कि
And it's not about need, it's about keeping your brain active. I think one should continue learning, following their passion forever.
एंड जिसको बुक्स पढ़ने की आदत है वो ऐसे नहीं बैठ सकता
ऐसे
फिर.
that's true.
एग्जैक्टली.
And somehow that knowledge helps you everywhere in every aspect of life.
डेफिनेटली मैम.
Yeah.
मेरे को फिक्शंस की तरफ थोड़ी ज़्यादा वो है, क्योंकि मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि नॉन फिक्शन इज़ जस्ट स्टफ विदाउट स्टोरीज.
Correct.
फिक्शन इज स्टफ विद स्टोरीज, तो उससे लर्निंग जो नॉन फिक्शन निकलती है वो भी बहुत अलग आती है.
That's true.
एंड इस नॉन फिक्शन में भी आई प्रेफर बायोग्राफीज. बट हाँ, आई गेस कि फिक्शन में ना जो आप एक, अगर हम शोज भी देखते थे, हमें बचपन से याद है शक्तिमान, गंगाधरी शक्तिमान, उसकी लर्निंग जैसे हमारे दिमाग में
That's
रहती
true,
हैं.
that's true.
सो उस वे में मेरे को फिक्शन की प्रेफरेंस बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Yeah.
आपकी करंट लाइब्रेरी में आप क्या प्रेफर कर, किस टाइप की बुक्स प्रेफर कर रहे हैं?
See, actually, right now I am looking at the library for children only till 18 years of age, because adults के लिए right now there is so much available. Nobody actually has time to sit in a library and study. People have gadgets, people travel, people go to the parks and study there. So, and for children, they need a quiet space so that they don't have that much distraction.
But till now also मैं तो लाइब्रेरी चले जाता हूँ.
No, very few people.
हाँ, बहुत few है.
Yeah. So I thought that for children there is less. Adult libraries are still, there are many. So this is only for children. It has a lot of fiction books. It has a lot of fairy tale books, because I feel that little children, they kind of create their own world reading those books. Because when I grew up, I mean, I was growing up in a household where I had no friends, and it was I was totally alone. But I grew up reading Enid Blyton, Hardy Boys, Nancy Drew, and I had that fictional world around me. I was thinking about lemonades and ginger ale and all those things. So I think children need to imagine the world not only watching TV but rather through books.
मैं तो बैठ ही एक्साइटेड हो जा रहा हूँ अब लाइब्रेरी देखने के लिए. मैं क्योंकि चिल्ड्रंस लाइब्रेरी इज लाइक सो गुड.
That's true.
और उसमें ऐसा होता है कि एक लेन में हजारों किताबें, जिसमें हजारों दुनिया है. मेरे को तो ऐसा लगता था.
Exactly.
और अभी भी अगर मैं जाता हूँ तो मेरे को या तो बहुत ही एल्डरली पीपल मिलते हैं जो रिटायर्ड हैं, या बहुत ही छोटी एज के मिलते हैं, जो मेरी लोकल अगर गवर्नमेंट लाइब्रेरी भी है, इट्स रियली गुड, चंडीगढ़ वाली. ओके, आपके अकॉर्डिंग अगर आप लैंग्वेज ट्रेंड के हिसाब से इंडिया में चलोगे, वैसे आई नो कि आपने ट्रेंड के हिसाब से नहीं लैंग्वेज उठाई, आप you have picked it because you started loving it and because Spain by chance.
Yes, Spain by chance. That's
Interesting.
true.
अगर आप do you have like do you know about the trends जो इंडिया में चल रहे हैं कि कौन सी लैंग्वेज प्रेफर करनी चाहिए एक स्टूडेंट को?
So actually, see, as we all know that Hindi and Sanskrit are the most ancient languages and they are beautiful languages. But apart from those, if we talk about foreign languages, right now Spanish is the most popular, because it is the mother tongue of a majority part of the world, and because of that it's picking up its popularity majorly, because a lot of multinational companies are hiring people who have the skill. And yeah, so right now in foreign languages, especially European languages, I think Spanish is doing the best.
I thought it was French, but
earlier French and German were the only two options which Indian people had, especially in schools, but now people are preferring more of Spanish.
Interesting. So आपका वो काफ़ी डिमांड में है कोर्स?
Yeah, people are wanting to learn, and very interestingly, as I said, that when I started learning, at that point of time, very few elderly people would learn. But now I have students who are 65, who are 75, and it's very inspiring. Recently, I had a student who was the IIT topper in his times, and he was working in London for so many years, and now he's something like 78. And he couldn't even see the board, so he used to sit near the board and study, but he was so passionate about learning. So yes,
high competent people, उनकी एक कैटेगरी होती है
that they like to keep their brain active.
They keep learning.
They keep learning.
वो
exactly.
अपनी childlike curiosity को खत्म नहीं करते.
Correct.
That I've also observed.
Correct.
In people that I aspire to be like, and मैं फिर ऑफ ट्रैक चले जाता हूँ लाइब्रेरीज के नाम से, मेरा बिल्कुल दिमाग आउट हो जाता. हमने अभी जो पर्सपेक्टिव वो रिक्रूटर्स के साइड से है ना लिया है कि कौन सी इन डिमांड है फॉर योर करियर पर्सपेक्टिव, एंड आपने कहा कि फॉर स्टूडेंट्स अगर आप वैसे ही इंटरेस्टेड हो तो आप कौन सी लैंग्वेजेस रिकमेंड करोगे?
Again, all the languages are very beautiful. It totally depends. For example, a lot of students want to go for their further studies to America. So United States has a lot of demand for Spanish because it's next to Mexico, and Spanish is kind of the second language there. So for certain countries, it's a good idea to have Spanish. People who are going to Paris or France, they can learn French. So languages all are very beautiful.
हाँ, मेरी प्रायोरिटीज़ तो आपको
Yeah,
पता था
I know.
स्पेनिश सीखने की,
Correct.
बिकॉज लतीनाज आर लवली,
Yes, he always used to answer that. Yeah.
सो दैट्स द ट्रूथ, मैं कोई बना नहीं सकता अपने
Correct.
ऊपर से। अब आपके थोड़े क्लासेस के उस पे आते हैं, एक्चुअली आप टीच कर रहे हो, अभी आपकी जर्नी हम चलती रहेगी साथ में, एंड बट आई वांट टू नो कि आपका जो स्पेनिश क्लासेस का करिकुलम है वो कैसे डिज़ाइन किया आपने, हाउ डू यू स्टार्ट टीचिंग समवन लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल मी हु इज़ नॉट मी, आई गेस A1.1 हो
Yeah.
गया बिफोर, है ना?
Correct. So very interestingly, this is another thing which opened my eyes when I started learning Spanish in the Instituto Cervantes, because the traditional way of teaching which we follow, which we have seen in our schools, was mostly learning, and we were provided the list of things and we were learning. But this had a totally different way. When you're teaching a language to a person, you're not supposed to teach. You're supposed to leave the person as if you're leaving the Hansel Gretel in the jungle. And you have to give little clues to the people. And they have to activate their brain and they have to find their way out. That way, their brain gets stimulated and they learn the best. So that is how we try and teach Spanish to people. That, for example, if we are teaching them the days of the week, instead of giving them that Monday is called this, Tuesday is called that, rather than that, we just give them a mixture of the days in Spanish. And they have to try and figure out, put it in order, and they find it very exciting and they find so amusing that they are able to do it.
एग्जैक्टली मेरे को भी आपने
Yeah.
बोला था कि लीन ऑन योर इंस्टिंक्ट्स एंड उसके हिसाब से चलो,
Exactly.
व्हाट डू यू थिंक दिस वुड मीन?
This, yeah. So this is, for example, and every language is interconnected somewhere. For example, Spanish has a lot of influence of Hindi and Urdu also.
Okay.
So there are words like camisa. Now, if you think about it, it comes from kameez.
कमीजा,
Yeah. Mesa is maize.
ओके, सो टेबल, मैसा, मेज,
Exactly.
ओके, ठीक है, ठीक
Exactly.
है।
So there are so many words, and then, for example, there is a connection between words. Escritor is the writer, so escritorio is the writing desk. So that's what we try to teach, that you try and make connection with words, because whenever you're learning a language, it's like an ocean. You practically can't learn everything. You have to you have to navigate your way through it, and you have to try and guess and find the way till the thing starts making sense. So that
क्योंकि
way,
हाँ, हिंदी भी हम बोल लेते हैं, पर लोग जो उसमें मास्टर्स भी कर रहे हैं, यू नो, देयर एट दैट लेवल,
correct.
एंड मैं तो बहुत ही बुरा था मात्राओं में।
Yeah,
हमें बोलते हैं कि सर को जो भाषा आती है उनमें से कोई भी नहीं करता अच्छे से।
correct. So actually, we are never taught correctly. So as a native, we learn totally in a different way. So that's why now these days I'm teaching Hindi to a lot of Spanish speakers, and in that process, I have discovered such beautiful things about Hindi. So yeah.
इंटरेस्टिंग आप, क्योंकि आपने पहले मेरे को बताया था ये पॉइंट कि आप नेटिव्स को हिंदी सिखा रहे हो।
Correct.
Actually,
Spanish
I
speakers.
have in my previous guest, he's from US, so वहाँ का native है, and he's learning Hindi, and I think he's enjoying it a little bit. But
Yeah, yeah.
I'll definitely give him your
Yes,
contact
please.
in case उनको अपना
Sure.
change करना हो tutor.
Correct. No,
Okay.
it's very interesting, and especially Spanish speakers, they learn Hindi very well because it's quite similar to Hindi. The formation, like the concept of tu and aap, doesn't exist in English but exists in Hindi and Spanish.
हाँ, formal and informal
Correct.
addressing someone, right.
Yeah.
But I think Hindi is a difficult language to not learn.
Yeah, but once you master the technique of learning a language, the first language is a little difficult to learn, but then second takes half the time and third takes further lesser time.
गोल मेरा भी यही है
Yeah,
कि
you will. I'm
स्पेनिश के बाद बाकी लैंग्वेजेस भी सीखनी है। एनी हाउ, आपके चाइल्डहुड में कोई ऐसे इंसान जो कि ऐसे टीचर आपके जिन्होंने आपको इंस्पायर किया हो, जो को आप लुक फॉरवर्ड करते हो, दे डोंट हैव टू बी योर लैंग्वेज टीचर्स बट एनीवन, if you would like to mention them and why?
So actually my childhood was very turbulent in terms of education, as I mentioned. So I was from a Hindi medium background, and when I reached in an English medium school, it was very difficult, very challenging. So I don't have very beautiful memories of my study timings. Yeah, but till the time I discovered that I was getting good at English and then maths, then suddenly people started acknowledging and that they felt that, oh, she can be good. So, well, then no, but post 36, when I started learning here in Instituto Cervantes, a couple of my teachers and my boss, I think they have been phenomenal and they have been really, really inspiring in my journey.
बट मतलब आपके चाइल्डहुड में इवन लाइक मैथ्स टीचर्स और इंग्लिश
No,
टीचर्स भी इतने
yeah,
अच्छे हैं?
it was quite challenging.
हाँ.
Those days, you know, if a child is a topper in all the subjects, they were supposed to be considered to be good. But if somebody is not doing very well, nobody would actually want to talk to them. It was like that. Now it's different.
They won't cater to the needs of someone who needs
help.
but जिसको
Correct.
ज़रूरत नहीं है तो
Exactly.
उसके होता रहा.
So that was traditional system of education. Now things are changing. So here I think I have been amazed to see the way my teachers have inspired me and directed me in that older age how to be able to navigate through your career.
Wow, interesting. क्योंकि मेरे चाइल्डहुड में टीचर्स हैव द सेंटर रोल ऑफ इंस्पायरिंग मी एंड नॉट जस्ट लाइक फॉर्मल टीचर्स बट समवन जैसे मेरी फैमिली में कोई है तो ही टॉट मी समथिंग, चाहे इंटेंशनली भी नहीं, अनइंटेंशनली ही टॉट मी समथिंग in a way, and of course parents we
So
in a way.
yeah, talking about parents, definitely, because my mom, she's again, we are in a small town, so she's kind of adopted the whole town, my father and my mother. So now they have 4 schools and there are 10,000 students studying, and half the students are studying free of cost. So she has students all over the world who have made it really big despite of the fact that they are from humble backgrounds. So she also always wanted to educate the society. Somehow I think I've picked it from her. And now I also have a major empathy towards students who come from smaller towns. For example, right now I have 2-3 students from Bihar who don't know much English. And they were very hesitant in the class. And I told them, see guys, you are going to be the best. And they actually passed with the best marks. They just needed that little confidence to be given to them. So,
I don't think there are any bad students, just
Yeah.
bad teachers.
that's true.
और
I mean,
थोड़ा
bad
risky
teacher also.
statement है, but-
Yeah, I wouldn't say bad teacher also, but I think everyone needs a bit of inspiration and guidance.
So I guess bad teaching methods जो currently
Correct.
practice होते हैं.
Correct.
I'm just again I'm getting lost and lost. क्योंकि आपने मेरे को इतना मटेरियल अभी दे दिया
Yeah.
कि मैं सोच ही जा रहा हूँ क्या उसके रिगार्डिंग इसके रिगार्डिंग. स्ट्रक्चर आई थिंक हम बाहर इसको फेंक सकते हैं, स्ट्रक्चर को अभी बाहर चलेगा, बिल्कुल फ्लो में चलेगी अब बातें. एंड यू एक्चुअली also taught me about the benefits of Spanish language for Indian students ना. अगर personal reasons से चलें, so let's break down Spanish learning, any language learning into steps. अगर आप बिल्कुल ज़ीरो से शुरू करवाना चाहते हो, आप एक तरह से आपके करिकुलम का ही आगे फर्दर क्वेश्चन है कि हाउ वुड यू लाइक टू ब्रेक इट डाउन, लर्निंग अ लैंग्वेज फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग टू I would say a professional proficiency,
Correct.
like B2 level.
Correct. So one thing is, first we need to start with a lot of patience, because we do get a lot of students who come day one thinking that, oh, I have to reach the highest level, and which requires years of, it's just, I give many a times give an example of bodybuilding. You know, if you're working out, you can't have 6-pack abs in a week's time or a month's time. It needs discipline, it needs practice. Yeah, exactly. So I think small dosage every day, but you can't overdo it. You can't study day and night and just overnight you can become a master in the language. Small dosage over the years. So one thing is that. And if we talk about the curriculum, how to break it, so initially we start with a little bit of vocab and little bit of structures. Then we talk about only the present tense. Present tense takes the maximum time. The moment you're good with present tense, then we can talk about all the other tenses, bring it together, and in the mastery level, you put fancy words inside.
Okay,
That's about it.
what does structure mean? Like sentence formation?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, sentence formation. If you talk about present tense and if you have understood every nuance of the present tense, other tenses become very easy for you. Because the same structure.
Just like आपने बोला कि एक लैंग्वेज के बाद बाकी लैंग्वेजेस इजी हो जाएंगे, सो एक टेंस के बाद बाकी टेंसेस भी इजी हो जाएंगे. ओके, राइट. इंटरेस्टिंग, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. एंड
So the base has to be very strong. The pillars, you know.
And do you have an experience with the like आपके अगर children भी हैं, so उनके साथ अगर coding languages में are they like similar? Have you had any talk with someone who is a coder, who is a programmer?
No, we don't have much of an experience about it. But if you talk about languages, both my kids are learning different languages. Like my son is learning Arabic, and my daughter is learning Persian in Oxford. Yeah.
Wow, very interesting. But हाँ, क्योंकि अगर आपका experience नहीं है, I have had some experience with some people. I think हाँ, syntax language का कहीं ना कहीं जो structure formation होती है,
Definitely.
वो सीखने में time लगता है. और फिर वो vocab जिसको हम programming language में I guess क्या बोलेंगे vocab को, प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज के vocab को क्या बोलेंगे, सिंटैक्स ही बोलते हैं. हाँ सिंटैक्स, हाँ हमारे साथ कोडर बैठे हैं एक साथ. तो मेरे लिए वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो गया था जब मैंने शुरू की थी. आई होप मैं वो भी कंटिन्यू कर पाऊँगा.
Correct.
वही लैंग्वेज का डोमिनो इफेक्ट मेरे को लाना अपनी लाइफ में. एंड इफ़ यू हैड टू रीस्टार्ट योर जर्नी लर्निंग अ लैंग्वेज, आप क्या चीज़ें हैं जो आप करोगे शुरू से ही, और क्या चीज़ आप नहीं करोगे जो आई गेस आपकी मिस्टेक्स होगी लैंग्वेज लर्निंग में?
So I don't think actually these number of years in which I have learnt the language, I think they have been very, very inspiring, very beautiful. The entire journey
No
has
mistakes,
been
perfect
Yeah, I
journey.
mean, I wouldn't say it has been a perfect journey, but I wouldn't like to change it in any terms. I felt that it was really nice.
I get trick question that.
Yeah.
So I think we are who we are because of what we experience now.
Exactly. I mean, if I talk about my childhood, yes, I would like to change about the teaching systems back then. I would like to have more inspiring teachers. I would like to have, like as a teacher, I feel that it's a very important role to figure out who's struggling the most in the class and to help that person rather than just not noticing that person, right? So back then it used to be like that. I feel now it has changed totally, and this is the beauty of the education in today's time.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Now coming to your school, आपने जो अभी स्कूल ओपन किया है, how many languages are you teaching there, like Spanish and Hindi?
So basically I have just started. I'm planning to start in the first month with Spanish. The moment we stabilize the library and the Spanish, then we want to start with Hindi, then Sanskrit, and then French. This is the plan for the first year.
Okay.
And if it all goes as per the plan, fingers crossed, so then we want to open more languages.
Definitely आपका plan according to plan तो नहीं कह सकता, but you will go a long way क्योंकि I've seen the passion in people. It takes them places.
That's true.
And आपके would you be like totally offline or hybrid?
No, we are going to be offline and online both.
Okay.
Because I have a team who's teaching online. I have a team will be teaching offline. I'm of course always there teaching in both the modes. Also, we have a plan to help people who do not have enough means. For example, again, coming back to the small village from where I belong to, next week I have an orientation with my team there. And my mother has installed cameras and the screens there, and we'll be starting the languages for those children as well from here. And I really want to make those children take these international Spanish exams so that they have an advantage. The facilities which they are not getting there, we really want to provide them those facilities so that the challenges which we as a in those times had, like we didn't have that many facilities, we want to provide them. And also we do want to start scholarship programs for children who are from humble backgrounds and can't afford this education. We would be having a certain number of students who would be not charged for the classes.
Oh, really nice. आपके mother भी like काफी philanthropy करते हैं,
Yes.
as I've seen now. So you have now आपके मदर के ही schools हैं वहाँ पे आपके?
Yeah, those are my mother's schools.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can start a pre-trial वहाँ पे ही directly.
Yeah. So we did teach last year also for 6 months. At that time, we were in the planning stage and there were teething troubles, which we have combed out now. So I think this year we'll be more prepared. And last year we started with 1 grade. This year we are taking 3 schools and 4 grades each. So I think we have a bigger team also now.
हाँ, so आपको क्या लगता है, like are children more eager to learn, या फिर क्योंकि अगर थोड़ी एक age हो जाती है, we are hesitant as you said, and our children's in those village areas more hesitant to learn a language like Spanish?
No, trust me, I feel that the fire which children from smaller towns have, incredible it is. They have so much desire to learn. The only thing is they don't know the path.
Definitely.
They need guidance. So that is the sad part of that. And people like us who are privileged to be in bigger towns and who have access to, if we could impart that knowledge to smaller towns, that would be great.
नहीं मेरे डेफिनेटली यार, क्योंकि मेरे भी फादर ने ही इतनी जो चीज़ें देखी हैं, ही हैज़ सेट अप रिसोर्सेज फॉर मी सो दैट आई डोंट हैव टू फेस दैट. एंड ऑफ कोर्स मेरे को वो दिखता है क्योंकि मेरे ग्रोइंग ईयर्स में ही वी हैव सीन हिम वर्किंग एंड टेकिंग अस फ्रॉम हेयर टू हेयर. एंड आई थिंक आपकी कॉल है.
नहीं, दैट्स फाइन.
आगे सो नो इश्यूज. आपका विजन आप कैसे देखते हो अपने स्कूल को नेक्स्ट? आई नो आपने मेरे को बताया कि अब नेक्स्ट लैंग्वेजेस भी इंट्रोड्यूस, बट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट लॉन्ग टर्म विजन लाइक इन 5 years 10 years time.
Yeah, so what my desire is, I don't know how God has planned this journey, but I really want to start opening the branches in different smaller towns, so that, because here we have a lot of institutes, but there is no such facility in smaller towns. So let's see if I'm able to open branches in the different smaller towns of the country, so that everyone has an opportunity to learn different languages and under trained people. Because again, we have a lot of Hindi teachers, we have a lot of Sanskrit teachers, we have a lot of English teachers, but trust me, nobody has that good training which we do get here to be able to teach the language in the way it should be taught.
I think teaching की ability भी बहुत important है.
Correct. No, more than ability, the knowledge of how to
teach. Yeah, that's what I meant. कि हम, I think India में teachers, plenty of teachers हैं, but they don't know how to teach.
Correct.
Despite their whatever degrees
exactly.
is required for teaching, ना. Okay, and कोई ऐसे towns जो आप prefer करना चाहोगे कि next मेरा पहला यहाँ पे होगा, फिर यहाँ पे इस town में मेरे को करना ही करना है?
So I want to start in Lucknow, I want to start in Kanpur. I've studied in Lucknow, so I believe I'm a little familiar with those towns. Lucknow, Kanpur, Meerut is nearby, and of course the Uttar Pradesh towns where I've lived, smaller towns to start with. And if we are able to make it happen and we are able to give good results. Also, we have started training for teachers. So since I was fortunate enough to get intense training in the place where I was working, and they really taught me how to create a beautiful environment in the class and how to pay equal attention to each and every student and how to get the best out of the class. So I have started workshops for teachers to be able to understand the emotional quotient of the students.
नहीं, आई थिंक एक प्री रिक्विजिट ट्रेनिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
करेक्ट.
क्योंकि वही कि टीचिंग का मेथड सिखाना ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, सो दैट दे कैन बी अ गुड टीचर एज वेल ना. और
एब्सोल्युटली
रियली गुड जॉब मैम यू आर डूइंग. एंड आप कहीं ना राम जन्मभूमि के आसपास का प्लान है मैम का. तो वो तक्षशिला को रिवाइव करना. तक्षशिला थी नालंदा थी. हम बूचरेंगे. अच्छा, एंड फॉर आपने काफ़ी ज़्यादा बढ़िया उसमें स्टेट्स में प्लान किया हुआ है. डू यू हैव अ नंबर फॉर के इतने नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स मेरे को करने हैं इस ईयर तक, ऐसे एंड तक?
नो, एक्चुअली आई नेवर स्टार्टेड दिस जर्नी इन अ प्लान्ड वे, एंड नाउ ऑल्सो देयर इज नो प्लानिंग. आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग इट वन स्टेप एट अ टाइम एंड जस्ट होपिंग दैट समथिंग आई एम एबल टू डू फॉर द सोसाइटी एज वेल.
एंड आप ये इसका एडमिन साइड कौन मैनेज करता है आपके स्कूल का, और फाइनेंशियल एडमिन ये सब साइड?
As of now, it's a one-man show.
आप ही कर रहे हो?
Yeah, I'm trying to do it all, but yes, I have started hiring the teams. And so yeah, I have been fortunate to have 2-3 very, very good people on my team who've been helping me day and night to be able to stabilize this boat which we have put in stormy weather right now.
Definitely.
So yeah.
A one-man team takes a lot of effort, so no problem अगर आपका delay भी हुआ है जो.
Yeah.
I guess आपने मार्च में शुरू करना था, but
no, we are aiming for 21st March or maybe a week later. So that is what we had aimed for, and we had kept a margin because 1st April is the time when schools start and everyone is in the mode to study. So I think we are not too late. But yeah, they have been working tirelessly and have been my support.
Do you also plan to teach in schools other than जो आपके वो
So we are in the process of tying up with schools because a couple of schools have approached us. It's as we discussed, it's very difficult to get good trained teachers, and I'm training the teachers under me to be able to impart in a correct way. So some schools have approached, and we are in talks with them.
हाँ, and what would be the timings आपके स्कूल अपने वाले स्कूल की?
Well, I have always worked 7 days a week and 12 hours a day. That's what we are looking at right now. Let's see how much is possible.
So she is already an entrepreneur, ना?
Yeah.
They love working so much. नहीं, but for students, I meant क्या batches
So-
वगैरह कैसे रहेंगे?
We'll have a lot of combinations. So, for example, 2 years back, again, I've been trying to focus on those areas which I felt were missing in my life, right? As I said, the small town thing. I said the people who did not know English, I like to promote them. Another aspect has been homemakers. So I have noticed a lot of homemakers, they have a lot of talent, lot of desire to do something, but they don't get the right opportunity or right direction that what to do. So I also started a course for homemakers last year, and we've had very good response for that. So I have a couple of students who have shown immense talent. There is a lady, one of my neighbors, and she's 56. She has cleared 2 levels of Delhi.
Ah.
A2 she has cleared, and she's now appearing for B1. And I feel that so much dedication they have and so much talent, just that they're never guided, and I'm trying to give them a career out of it. Whatever small maybe they can make it bigger also, but at least to start something at this age.
Oh, really nice. And आपके certification कैसे होती है? Like A1 के exams,
Correct.
do institute requires के आपने ये A1 का किया हुआ and आपका school certified है उसके लिए?
No, so basically the actual certificate which matters in the term of language is the international exam.
Right.
So we all institutes, we do give our certifications, but the certification which holds the value worldwide, that would be the international exam. So we train people to be able to achieve that international exam. So we handhold them till there, and I'm also one of the examiners in that team. So I do guide them how to be able to clear the exam.
So जो इनके इंस्टीट्यूट में लेगा, they will get cleared. Examiner भी नहीं है.
There is no guarantee, of course, but there is a direction, of course.
But इनकी prerequisite नहीं होती कोई international certificates की that
No,
you
there
have to
is-
learn.
there is
Okay,
none-
so
none
anyone
of-
can appear for
none
any
of the
level.
languages, yes.
Okay, nice. So, क्योंकि मैं I was thinking about that कि अगर आपको certification करानी हुई क्या, that you can appear for an international exam after this institute. उसमें बहुत issues आएंगे, नहीं तो ठीक है, right?
Yeah. So all the language certifications, I think they don't have any requirement apart from the language.
I get it. Okay. Really nice. Ma'am.
And I really see that there are a lot of students who could not do very well in the school academic studies, and they have quit studying post 12th, and they are just learning a language, and then eventually they make a decent career. So that is one very good thing I think languages have opened for a lot of people, because not everyone can be a doctor, engineer.
नहीं, definitely. I think in fact एक इंटरनेट की एज से ये तो बेनिफिट है कि अब फॉर्मल एजुकेशन की वो नहीं रही है जितनी हम सोचते थे,
Correct.
क्योंकि लर्निंग यू कैन अचीव फ्रॉम वेरियस मेथड्स.
Various methods.
राइट. थोड़ी फॉर्मल एजुकेशन के लिए ये है कि इट्स लाइक अ कॉम्पिटेंसी लेवल. अगर कोई हायर करता है
Correct.
कि वी नो कि यू कैन स्टडी दिस मच, यू कैन वर्क दिस हार्ड, सो फ्रॉम बिकॉज यू आर फ्रॉम द टॉप इंस्टीट्यूट्स ऑफ इंडिया, एंड सो इट्स ईजियर टू हायर यू. That definitely is there, and the teaching faculty of course in top institutes is top notch, but I too also believe कि you can learn anything these days.
Correct.
Even in fact अगर आपके भी अगर आप इन स्कूल का आप like YouTube lectures भी आप करोगे तो I'll definitely watch them. I know you will do a wonderful job for like a demo class for A1, A2, B1, B2.
True.
I'm looking forward to it,
Yeah, definitely.
and I'm also looking forward to learning A2 level also
Definitely.
with you. Hopefully soon.
Yeah, thank you so much.
So let's wrap it up.
Yes.
I guess
Thank you so
we are
much.
on perfectly
Abhinav.
good time.
Yeah.
And we're keeping it short.
Thank you so much, Abhinav, for this opportunity. Yeah.
No problem. हाँ, cut.